Hello friends, myself Srimati Shital Yash Shavale from RBH Kanya Junior College, Malegaon Camp. Welcome to our second online session in chemistry for 12th science students. In last session, we studied about the occurrence, electronic configuration and atomic properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. In today's session, we are going to study the physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. First we see the properties of group 16 elements, that is oxygen family or chalcogenes. Here there are 5 elements in group 16. These are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Their general electronic configuration is Ns2Np4, means they having 2 unpaired electrons in their valency shell. First we see the first property, oxygen, which is the first member of this group. This oxygen is in gaseous state, while other elements of the group are in solid state at room temperature. Then second property is oxygen and sulfur are non-metals. They are showing the properties of non-metals, while selenium and tellurium are metalloids. Metalloids means the elements which exhibits the sum of the properties of metals and some of the properties of non-metals. Their elements are called as metalloids. While the last member of this group is a polonium, which is a metal. This polonium is a radioactive element with its half-life of 13.8 days. Then next property is melting points and boiling points increases with increasing atomic number. As the atomic number increases, melting point and boiling point also increases. All the elements of group 16 exhibits allotropy. Allotropy means when a solid elements exist in different crystalline forms, and these different crystalline forms having a different physical properties such as color, density, melting point, etc. is called as allotropy. And all the elements of group 16 exhibits this property, that is allotropy. Then next to this is properties of group 17 elements, that is halogen family. This halogen family consists of 5 elements. These are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Their general electronic configuration is Ns2Np5, means they having only one unpaired electron in their valency shell. First we see the properties. First property is this fluorine, chlorine are gases. Bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid at room temperature. This fluorine is a yellow in color. Chlorine is greenish yellow. Bromine is a red and iodine is violet in color. Then fluorine and chlorine reacts with water. This bromine and iodine are sparingly soluble in water, and sparingly soluble means they are less soluble in water, and they are soluble in various types of organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, which gives colored solutions with these solvents. These are the some properties of group 17 elements. The bond dissociation enthalpies of halogens are in order. Chlorine bond dissociation enthalpy is greater than bromine, which is greater than fluorine, and which is greater than iodine. This bond dissociation enthalpy of fluorine molecule is lower than that of chlorine. This is because this fluorine having a small atomic size than chlorine. This fluorine is the first member of group. This fluorine having a small atomic size, and the lone pair on each of the fluorine atom in F2 molecule are so close together. They are close together. That's why they strongly repel each other and makes this F' bond weaker. And this requires less energy to break a bond. while in case of chlorine, the atomic size is greater than fluorine. The lone pairs are at larger distance and the repulsion is negligible. Thus, this chlorine-chlorine bond is comparatively stronger and bond dissociation enthalpy of chlorine is greater than fluorine. Then next to this is properties of group 18 elements, that is noble gases. These noble gases are monoatomic. Mono means they consist of single atom. They are sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly means less soluble in water. They have very low melting points and boiling points. Helium, which is the first member of this group, have the lowest boiling point of about 4.2 Kelvin. This is a capital K of any known substance. If we convert this 4.2 Kelvin into degree Celsius, then it gives the value of minus 268.95 degrees Celsius. Means very lowest boiling point of any known substance. Why these noble gases having very low melting points and boiling points? The reason behind this is that they are monoatomic. These noble gases are monoatomic. Only the interatomic interaction which exists between them are van der Waals forces, and we know that these van der Waals forces are weak forces. They are short range forces. That's why the melting point and boiling points of group 18 elements are very low. They liquefy at very low temperature. These are some of the physical properties of group 18 elements. Then next to this is anomalous behavior of oxygen. Anomalous means different. Anomalous means different behavior. In Marathi we called it as asangat, different from other group members. Like a usual trend in P block elements, oxygen is the first member of group 16, differs from other members of group. This anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to its small atomic size. Atomic size of this oxygen molecule is small as compared with other group members. Then its high electronegativity. Next to fluorine, oxygen is most electronegative element in the periodic table. It's having electronegativity value of 3.5 and absence of inner d orbital in valency shell. There is the absence in oxygen. There is the absence of d orbital in their valency shell. Some of the anomalous properties of this oxygen are listed here. First property is atomicity. Atomicity, oxygen is a diatomic, while other members of group are polyatomic. This O2 molecule consists of 2 atoms of oxygen, while the other members, for example sulfur, the sulfur is a octatomic, a set molecule. 8 atoms required to form a molecule of sulfur. This oxygen is a diatomic. Then second is magnetic properties. Oxygen is a paramagnetic, while others are diamagnetic. This oxygen having a 2 unpaired electrons in its antibonding molecular orbital. Paramagnetic means they are attracted to external magnetic field, while in diamagnetic substances the electrons are repelled by external magnetic field. Then next property is oxidation states. Oxygen exhibits oxidation states. Oxygen exhibit -2, -1, +2 oxidation state. In OF2 molecule, oxygen has +2 oxidation state because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. That's why this oxygen exhibits +2 oxidation state in OF2 molecule. In peroxides, the oxidation state of oxygen is -1, while the other members of group shows -2, +2, +4 and +6 oxidation states. Oxygen cannot exhibit higher oxidation state because there is the absence of d orbital in their valency shell. Then next is nature of hydrides. Most commonly used hydride of oxygen is H2O, that is water, and this water is a liquid at room temperature, while the hydrides of other group members, for example H2S, H2Se hydride of selenium, H2Te hydride of tellurium, these are gases at room temperature. Then fifth property is a common covalency. Common covalency of oxygen is just 2. Oxygen usually forms 2 bonds, but in rare cases it is a 4. In other group members of group 16, covalency can be exceed 4 or more than 4. These are the some anomalous behavior or properties of oxygen are given here. Then next to this is anomalous behavior of fluorine. This fluorine shows anomalous behavior. This is a element, first element in group 17. This fluorine shows anomalous behavior due to following reasons. First reason is small atomic size. Its atomic size is a very small. Then second is higher electronegativity. It is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. There is the absence of d orbital in valency shell. In fluorine there is the absence of d orbital in their valency shell and it having low F-F bond dissociation enthalpy due to its small atomic size. The lone pairs on the fluorine are very close to each other. They repel each other. That's why this fluorine-fluorine bond is weaker and it requires less energy to dissociate this bond. That's why this fluorine having low F-F bond dissociation enthalpy. Some of the anomalous properties of fluorine are given here. First is ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential are higher for fluorine than other members of group. Then second is the ionic and covalent radii, melting point, boiling points and electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than expected values that are observed in group. Then third is most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic due to it forming very short and strong bond with other elements. Because size of fluorine is a small and it forms a shorter bond and this bond is a stronger, that's why these reactions are exothermic. Most of the reactions of fluorine are exothermic, means heat is evolved during these reactions. Then fourth is it forms only one oxoacid, that is HOF, while other halogens form number of oxoacids, for example HOCl, HClO2, etc. Then fifth property is this hydrogen fluoride, HF, is a liquid, while other hydrogen halides are gases at room temperature. This is because in HF there is the strong hydrogen bonding is present. That's why this HF is a liquid, while other hydrogen halides are gases at room temperature. Then next to this is chemical properties of elements of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. First we see the oxidation states of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. First to know about what is meant by oxidation state. This oxidation state is the number that represents the electrons that an atom can gain, lose or share when it chemically bonding with another atom. It is the number of electrons that an atom can gain, lose or share when it is chemically bonding with other elements. Then first we see the oxidation states of group 16 elements. They having the general electronic configuration NH2NP4. They attain a noble gas configuration either by losing these 2 electrons or by gaining 2 electrons, forming E2 minus ions, or by sharing these 2 electrons forming 2 covalent bonds. These elements shows -2 and +2 oxidation state in their compounds. Here the group members are given in table. Their electronic configuration is also given and their oxidation states are given in this chart. This oxygen is the first member of group. It is a highly electronegative and shows common oxidation state of -2, except in 2 cases. In case of OF2, its oxidation state is +2 because this fluorine is a more electronegative than oxygen, and in case of peroxides, that is S2O2, Na2O2, it shows -1 oxidation state. Other elements of group shows +2, +4, +6 oxidation states. With +4 and +6 oxidation state is more common in group 16 elements. Here the chart showing their oxidation states of this group elements is given. Then next to this is oxidation states of halogens, that is group 17 elements. Their general electronic configuration, valence shell electronic configuration is NH2NP5. They having only one unpaired electron. They attain noble gas electronic configuration either by gaining one electron or by losing this one electron, forming E-1 ion or covalent bond. Here fluorine shows, first member of this group, fluorine shows always -1 oxidation state because it doesn't have d orbital in valency shell and therefore it cannot expand its octet. -1 oxidation state. If we see this chart, we can observe that -1 oxidation state is common in all halogens, while chlorine, bromine and iodine exhibits +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation states. This is because they are less electronegative than fluorine and possess empty d orbital in valency shell and therefore they can expand their octet. The oxidation state +4 and +6 are occur in oxides and oxoacids of chlorine and bromine. Here some of the compounds of halogens are given below, showing the various oxidation states shown by halogen family. Then next to this is oxidation states of group 18 elements. They having stable electronic configuration NH2NP6 with completely filled orbital. They have no tendency to lose or to gain electron. That's why they are 0 valent and mostly exhibits monoatomic gases. Xenon having higher atomic size. Here the member of this group, this xenon having fifth member of group, xenon having higher atomic size and lower ionization enthalpy than other group member. Hence xenon exhibits higher oxidation state. Its outermost shell has a d orbitals. The paired electron of valency shell can be unpaired and promoted to empty d orbital. The unpaired electrons of xenon that can be shared with fluorine or oxygen atoms and forms various compounds showing higher oxidation state. Some of the compounds of xenon are given here in this chart. You can see in this chart various compounds that are formed by xenon with halogens and oxygens are given here, and their various oxidation state. These are the xenon fluorides, ZeF2, ZeF4. These are the oxidation states of xenon, +2, +4, +6, XeO4, +8. These are the oxidation states shown by group 18